Last time we have studied about the alphabetical orders. Okay, मैंने कुछ होमवर्क्स भी दिए थे आपको. I hope कि आपने किया हो. And I'm waiting for your homework. Okay, आपने फोटो क्लिक करके भेजा नहीं. मैंने आपको कहा था कि just send me after completion of that work, right? So I'm waiting. Still I'm waiting. Okay. So हम आज इस वीडियो में दूसरा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. ठीक है, पिछली बार मैंने कुछ एक्सरसाइज दिए थे, फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करके, एंड आपको मैंने कुछ होमवर्क भी दिए थे. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू अरेंज. ओके, सो नॉट अरेंज, वी आर गोइंग टू रीअरेंज दिस वर्ड्स according to their first alphabet. Okay, first letter. Okay, here words are given. Okay, here words are given that we are going to arrange according to the alphabetical order. Okay, first ox, cow, buffalo, dog, lion. Okay, so first we have to see which all are the words. Okay, it is in alphabetical orders. The first letter we have to see the first O, C, B, D, L. So इन letters को हमें first letter जो है हमें उसको alphabetical order में रखना है. जैसे कि A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we are going to arrange. सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना है कि फर्स्ट लेटर जो है वो पहले ढूंढ निकालना है, उसे अंडरलाइन करना है. For then we have to underline and then we have to put them in the alphabetical order. Okay, so first, okay, the first one, what it should come. Okay, O, C, B, D, L. Okay, so पहला first in the alphabetical order, which letter it should come? A तो है नहीं, so what it should come? B. So B for buffalo. So we will write buffalo. Okay. Second letter C. Okay. After B, what it should come? C. So C is there. Obviously, yes, we have C here. So we are going to put them after buffalo. C O W, cow. Okay. After C, which letter should come? D. D for dog. Do we have? Yes, we have here, right? So D for dog. Okay. Then what it should come after D? E. Do we have? No, we do not have. Okay. D, E. Okay. D तो आ गया. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Do we have L? Yes. ठीक है, तो हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे L-I-O-N, lion. ओके, अब लास्ट क्या बचा? Ox. अब वो आएगा क्योंकि उसके बाद कुछ है नहीं हमारे पास. Right? Now we will see the next one. Okay. हमें सबका पहले फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट और जो लेटर है उसको ढूंढना है, फिर उसको अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में रखना है. वी हैव टू फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लेटर. इफ यू फील कंफ्यूजन देन यू जस्ट अंडरलाइन इट सो इजीली यू कैन फाइंड आउट एंड देन पुट देम इन अ अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. बट इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी टू रिमेंबर द अल्फाबेट्स. ओके, इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट सारे लेटर्स आपको याद रहने चाहिए. हाउ मेनी लेटर्स? There are 26 letters are there. So let us read our second. Okay, John. J for John. Mary. M for Mary. C. Lucy. Okay, L for Lucy. Dolly and Bob. So here the first letter in the first word J, M, L, D and B. So in the first, okay, so पहला लेटर कौन सा आएगा? Obviously we do not have A here, so we will put B here क्योंकि B हमारे पास है फर्स्ट लेटर. So B-O-B, bob. Okay. Second, D, right? Because C hanging, so C के बाद क्या आएगा? Obviously D. So D for dolly. Okay. Then third one. D के बाद E. Do we have E? No. E. F? No. E, F, G, H, I, J. J? Yes, we have J here. So we are going to write John. Okay. Then John. उसके बाद which letter? L. Right? L for Lucy. Then last आएगा M for man. Okay. Now third. Let us see third. Class, table, desk, book, map. Okay. Class, table, desk, book, map. The first letter I have already underlined here. C, T, D, B, M. इन सबको हमें अभी अल्फाबेट ऑर्डर में डालना है. ओके. अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में सो सबसे पहला कौन सा आएगा? फर्स्ट B. B for book. Then next C. C for class. Okay. Now then D. D for desk. Okay. Then which letter it should come? M. M-A-P, map. Right? Then last table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Okay. So here we are arranged or rearranged in alphabetical order. Now come to the fourth one. Okay. So let's change the color. Right? Right. So yellow, orange, green, white and black. Right? Here I have written the name of colors. Okay? So name of colors. So first letter of this yellow, Y, orange, O, green, G, white, W, black, B. So in alphabetical order, which color name of the color should come first? Obviously we do not have A, so we will go with black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Right? Then which color? Yes, G. G-R-R-E-N, green. Then which color do we have after G, H, I, J, K, element O? Okay, element O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Right? W. Then X, Y. Y for yellow. Right? Now come to the fifth one. Banana, mango, apple, orange, lemon. Right? Here I have written some fruits name. Okay? Banana, mango, apple, orange, okay, and lemon. So first letter of banana, B. Second letter, M. For what is called here third, apple ka A, orange ka O, lemon ka L. So do we have first alphabetical means letter, first letter of alphabet? Yes, we have, because A for apple is present here. So let us write A for apple. Okay. Then we have B. Obviously B, banana. देन लास्ट में आएगा हमारा ऑरेंज. ओके, here orange. There's a little, we have space problem. Then sixth one, play, ground, whistle, captain and empire. Okay, so here related to your favorite thing, because P को आपको तो बहुत पसंद है, right? Play. P first letter is P. Ground first letter is ground, G. Whistle first letter is W. Then C, captain. U for umpire, right? So according to the alphabet, English alphabet, what is the first letter it should come here? We do not have A, we do not have B, but we have C. C for captain. C-A-P-T-A-I-N, captain. Okay. Then next, after C, D, E, F, G. Do we have G? G for ground. Right? Then G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. We have P. P for play. Then P, Q, R, S, T, U. U for umpire. Then last one is whistle. W, H, I, S, T, L, E. Whistle. Right? So here we have arranged according to the alphabet. Right? You can underline it to identify that you have arranged in an alphabetical order. Okay? So here our chapter is completing here, alphabetical order. We will come with the next chapter. Second chapter is over. I hope you will practice at home. If you have any queries, any doubt, or if you did not understand anything, just call us on our school number, or you can put your queries on school WhatsApp number. Okay? तब तक के लिए take care, bye bye, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Right? Bye.